present in the jury box, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Irizarry, are you the foreperson?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you again the verdict form of the deputy, please?
The matter of State of Florida versus John Jonchuck, case number 15-00226 CF, murder in the first degree. We, the jury, find as follows as the defendant in this case. Defendant is guilty of murder in the first degree as charged. So say we all sign and date it for person of the jury.
Do you want the jury poll?
Yes, please. Jury number 1, is this your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Jury number 2, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 3, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 4, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 5, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 6, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 7, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 8, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 9, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 10, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Jury number 11, is this your verdict?
Yes.
And jury number 12, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Thank you, Megan. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room, except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about your work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations, you are also at liberty to refuse to speak to anyone. A request to discuss either your verdict or your deliberations may come from those who are simply curious, from those who might seek to find fault with you, from the media, from the attorneys, or elsewhere. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. And with that said, there's no way I can express my appreciation for your service, because there's no way to describe it. I've never had a trial this long since I've been here, and I've been here about 12 years as a judge. And your attention and your effort were really something to watch. And it's kind of affirming for me, and I think for many of us in the system, to know that people like you are willing to, you're volunteering, you can figure out how to get out of it pretty quick in that long procedure we went through. And I think you've done a really, regardless of what the verdict is, you've really done a great job of working really, really hard. And we all appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, folks. One more time, we're going to go through this door, all right? Jury's outside the hearing in court, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Jonchuck, do you want to come forward with your counsel, please, sir?
No, sir. Over here. Stand right here.
Any lawful cause for the sentence cannot be imposed?
There is no lawful cause. We would ask the court to set a sentencing date to postpone sentencing. There are some motions we would like an opportunity to file prior to sentencing.
And so we can file them afterwards as well. I'm presuming that all of them can be filed afterwards as well, correct? One of you should be standing by him, not all of you over here, please.
Judge,
Mr.
we'd be-
Warden,
There's something that we'd like to look into. We asked the court to set a sentencing date a week out for us to
okay,
just
well,
look
if
into it.
you give me something definitive, some reason, I would consider it, but I'm not hearing a reason. So I think I can hear everything you want to present afterwards. Okay. Mr. Jonchuck, it's an automatic life sentence. I'm sure you know that upon your conviction, so I will adjudicate you guilty. on murder in the first degree, I will sentence you to life in prison.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Owens?
No.
Thank you.
Appoint PD for appeal.
Yeah, we're now appointing the public defender for purposes of appeal.
Turn to your left. And work to all rise.